Hey there, math whizzes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We are making math simple, fun, and applicable to real life. Today we're tackling super useful topic, inequalities in world problems. Have you ever found yourself trying to figure it out if you have enough money to buy all the items in your cart? Or if you need to save a bit more? Or maybe you're trying to determine if you have enough time to finish a project before the deadline. These are classic examples of inequalities at work. In this video, we'll break down how to set up and solve world problems involving inequalities. We'll go through the step-by-step process of translating real-life situations into mathematical expressions, and then show you how to solve them like a pro. And we have another digital SAT inequality math question, so let's dive into this problem. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee and a $10 per hour rental fee. A person rents a surfboard for 2 hours and intends to spend a maximum of $75 to rent the surfboard. Which inequality represents this situation? So there is $25 service fee. This is a fixed fee, so you will have to pay no matter what. And this person is willing to spend maximum of $75. So the maximum is, which means no more than $75. Can be $75. That's why it's gonna be less than or equal to 75 on the one side of the inequality. On the left side, we have $25 for sure, fixed. And if you will rent this 2 hours and you're paying per hour $10, so then will we multiply T by 25 or 10? Think about it. If you will just rent it 1 hour, you will just you pay $10. If you would rent it for 2 hours, then 10 times 2 is $20 for the rental fee. So technically we're multiplying with the T with the per hour rental fee. Therefore, this is gonna be 10T. 25 plus 10T is less than or equal to 75 is the answer for this specific question. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. I wish you good luck on your test. Have a good one. Bye-bye.